Generale. So today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the rapid exhaustion of the world's non-renewable resources.
You've probably come across terms like oil depletion, water scarcity, and mineral shortages. What does it really mean? And why is it important to understand?
Okay, let's talk about what non-renewable resources are.
Non-renewable resources such as natural gas and oil. How was it formed? We cook food and use electricity to warm our houses every day, and driving most of the energy needs such as cars. They are all satisfied by fossil fuels. It is crucial for all aspects of our lives. In fact, the reason why natural gas and oil are called non-renewable resources, because it took them millions of years to form. About 2 billion years ago, after the death of algae, animals and plants on Earth, as river settles underground, peat forms. These peats have been subjected to long-term, transformed into coal after high temperature and pressure. Natural gas is a byproduct produced in coal seams, and oil is the result of biological death, deposited in an environment without oxygen, transformed into a substance called keratin by high temperature and pressure. After millions of years of transformation, it gradually turns into oil. Both natural gas and oil are carbon-oxygen compounds composed of hydrogen and carbon atoms. Some will be squeezed into the rock layer during crustal movement. Even some oil and natural gas can seep into the ground. From time to time, most of them are trapped. Accumulation of reservoirs in faults within the crust. We just need to use geological exploration machines, radiated through energy waves. You can find the exact location of natural gas and oil. Then use a drill bit to drill a well hole. To prevent collapse and insert the casing again, fill both sides with cement. At this point, as long as enough water is pumped out to reduce pressure, natural gas will enter the pipeline on its own.
Oil is a big part of our world, but its depletion is a serious issue. If we don't start transitioning to a renewable energy sources soon, we'll be faced with some major challenges down the line. But don't worry, we'll talk more about solutions in the next part of the video, so stay tuned.
Mineral shortages are a huge issue impacting both our lives and our planet's future. Minerals like copper, lithium, and cobalt are essential for technology. They power our phones, electric cars, and renewable energy sources. But demand for these minerals is rising fast, and we're using them up quicker than they can be replaced. This could drive prices up, making technology and clean energy more expensive. Plus, mining can harm environment and communities. To address this, we need to reduce our dependency, recycle more, and find alternatives. By acting now, we can help protect these resources for the future.
We have covered a lot of important information today, from the depletion of oil and minerals to the water crisis. But here's the good news. While these problems are serious, there are things we can all do to make a difference. So let's talk about some simple solutions that can help protect our planet's resources. The content discusses the importance of saving water, recycling materials, and using renewable energy to conserve resources and protect the environment. Each of these actions can make a difference in easing the strain in our water supply, reducing waste in landfills and oceans, and moving towards more sustainable energy sources. So, while we're facing some serious challenges for planet non-renewable resources, we have a role to play. Whether it's saving water, recycling more, or using renewable energy, every small action can make a big difference. It's up to us to start thinking of the future and how we can protect these resources for generations